Hello guys! Hope you're having an amazing day. This is Tina and Mark sharing our experience at Cafe Alea on our way back going to Manila. So we decided to pass by at Bukal Bypass Road in Calamba, Laguna because we wanna check out the restos and cafes along the area. Bungad pa lang kabi-kabila ng mga bars and restos, coffee shops, pasalubong centers, and different establishments. Cafe Alea caught our attention because of its facade na looking so relaxing, laid back, al fresco, maraming plants, and magandang parking lot. That is why naging curious kami pasukin anong meron sa loob. Di kami na-disappoint guys kasi ang ganda ng interior. The cafe vibe is relaxing, vintage, and refreshing. The tables and chairs are mostly made of wood. Ang daming plants, ang ganda ng pagkakaayos. Tapos, ang daming antique na gamit and design sa loob. Overall look, love it. Sa food naman, we ordered cheese and mango crepe, and pasta negra. For our drinks, cold matcha. The cheese and mango crepe is my favorite. Not your ordinary crepe kasi medyo crispy siya na tinutunaw ng vanilla ice cream sa ibabaw pag kinain. Ang sarap din ng pagkakablend ng cheese sa ng mango. Verdict, very delicious. Ang pasta negra naman is okay lang. Parang medyo nakulangan lang ako sa sauce but the garlic bread on the side is good naman. Yung matcha, once I sip, nasarapan na ako. Rich yung matcha flavor niya at saka hindi siya ganun katamis. So, cold matcha, 2 thumbs up for me. I would recommend for you to check this place out if you happen to pass by this area so you can experience the relaxing treat and good food they are offering. Happy trip and enjoy guys! Be safe!